Dear students, in this session, I am going to explain about the skeletal connective tissue. So, skeletal connective tissue is the supporting tissue. It forms the endoskeleton in vertebrates. So, the skeletal tissue involved in the supporting, protection of various organs and locomotion, etc. So, this skeletal connective tissue includes two types of tissues. Those are cartilage skeletal tissue and bony skeletal tissue. So here, cartilage skeletal tissue is solid, but it is semi-rigid. The matrix of the cartilage tissue secretes chondroblasts. So these chondroblasts are the immature cells. When these are matured, they are called as chondrocytes. So these chondrocytes are surrounded by a fluid-filled spaces. That spaces are called lacunae. So the cartilage tissue surrounded by the fibrous connective tissue. That fibrous connective tissue is called perichondrium. Perichondrium. So here the cartilage tissue again divided into three types. Those are hyaline cartilage, elastic cartilage and fibrous cartilage. Hyaline cartilage is a bluish white translucent glass-like tissue. So it is the weakest tissue and it most common in all types of tissues of the body. So it found in the nasal septal, rings of the trachea and the bronchi, the cartilage of larynx. So these are all consist of hyaline cartilage. Second one is the elastic cartilage. So it consists yellow elastic fibers. So these yellow elastic fibers. So here these are the yellow fibers. So these yellow elastic fibers have ability to contract and recoil their normal position. So that's why these yellow elastic fibers have ability to contraction. It found in the pinna of external ear, eustachian tubes and epiglottis. Third one is fibrous cartilage. So fibrous cartilage is the strongest cartilage of all cartilages. So here fibrous cartilage consists of abundance of collagen fibers. So here pericardium is absent. So if we observe this diagram, here the pericardium is absent. Actually the pericardium is the cartilage is surrounded by a fibrous connective tissue is pericardium. So this pericardium is present in the hyaline cartilage and elastic cartilage. But it is absent in the fibrous cartilage. So it found in the intervertebral discs, pubic symphysis of the pubis. So we can observe the diagram. So here this is the pericardium. So as well as here also, but here the pericardium is absent. So the matrix secreting cells are called chondrocytes. So here this is the chondrocyte and these are the chondrocytes. So these chondrocytes are surrounded by a fluid filled spaces. So these fluid filled spaces are called lacunae. So here in the elastic cartilage, there are yellowish fibers are there and collagen fibers are there. So here the elastic cartilage is composed of abundance of collagenous fibers. So hence it is the strongest cartilage all over all cartilages. So this is about the cartilage and its types. So second skeletal tissue is bone. So here bone is highly calcified, solid, rigid, hard substance or hard tissue. Bone is calcified, solid, rigid, hard tissue. So it involved in the providing of the structure and the protection of the visceral organs, and it attached to the muscles and helps in the locomotion. So the bone is covered by a outer sheath. The outer sheath is called periosteum. The inner sheath is called endosteum. So bone secretes the osteoblasts. So these are the immature cells. And osteoclasts, these are the phagocytic cells. And osteocytes, these are the mature cells. So here osteoblasts are immature cells which helps in the mineralization. Types of the bone. So here 4 types of bones are there. Those are cartilaginous bones, investing bones, sesamoid bones and visceral bones. So cartilaginous bones are formed by the ossification of cartilage. Cartilaginous bones are formed by the ossification of cartilage. So this type of bones are found in the limbs, that means forelimbs and hind limbs bones. So girdle bones and vertebrae. Second one is the investing bones. So investing bones are formed by ossification of embryonic mesenchyme. Investing bones are formed by the ossification of embryonic mesenchyme. So this type of bones are found in the most bones of the cranium. Third one, sesamoid bones. So sesamoid bones are formed by the ossification of tendons. So it found in the patella. Bones are formed by the ossification of soft tissues. These are found in the os penis and os cordis. Os penis is the inner tissue of the glans penis. Os cordis is the inner tissue of the ruminant heart. So this is about the skeletal tissue and its types.